for the coming week. Of course, it was a very dry year last year. We've seen a lot of rain so far this winter, though, which is good news. Water levels, groundwater levels, have now risen more or less back to normal. So that is good news, and it will be a mostly dry week to come. I think the sunshine will tend to come and go. There'll be a brief spell of damp weather across the north. There will be some patches of fog and frost at times, both night and morning. Now, this morning, it has been a northwest-southeast split. Certainly better the sunshine across southern and eastern parts of England. Clear skies here. A lot of cloud to the north and west. That cloud slowly invading. But the Leicester skyline looks pretty bright, and it should remain bright and largely sunny through the afternoon. Some more sunshine to come from many eastern parts of England. But that cloud thickening up to the north and west. We've seen some patchy light rain for Northern Ireland this morning, and that'll encroach into western parts of Scotland through this afternoon. Bit of snow up over the highest ground, but remaining bright for eastern parts of Scotland down through the borders, much of England and Wales, though the cloud will tend to increase, I think, for West Wales, much of northwest England, down across the southwest peninsula too. A rather raw feel as the wind picks up across the northwest, but lighter winds than yesterday across southern and eastern areas with some sunshine. Really not feeling too bad, temperatures around 5 or 6 degrees. This evening and overnight we'll continue to see that cloud invading from the northwest. Still some patchy rain, some snow up over the highest ground too. And just for a time as that falls onto cold ground, we could see some icy stretches for eastern Scotland, northeast England. But gradually, I think by the end of the night, the frost will become confined to southernmost parts of England and Wales. Temperatures here as low as -2, but frost-free further north if rather cloudy and breezy. So the best of the sunshine tomorrow morning will be across southernmost parts of England and Wales. Some early fog patches shouldn't hang around too long. Further north, a lot of cloud. We'll have dribs and drabs of rain dotted around, but a lot of dry weather. I think most of the rain confined to the far north of Scotland by the afternoon. Some brightness developing, hopefully, for Northern Ireland. Some sheltered eastern parts of Scotland, sheltered from quite a gusty wind. Further south, the wind's fairly light, and although there will be a fair amount of cloud around, still the chance of some sunshine, but not as much sunshine as we're seeing at the moment. After that chilly start, temperatures recovering quite nicely. Quite a mild afternoon, temperatures of 7 or 8 with fairly light winds in the south. Quite a blustery one though in the north, so despite temperatures of 10 to 12, might not feel all that warm. We say goodbye to the fronts tomorrow night. The last fronts we'll see all week. A dry outlook, high pressure. Anna.